Political circus, 3 years has passed. We have given a good governance. We have given whatever we have promised, we have delivered. And even the Oxford University also has looked out our guarantee. The entire central government and the BJP party and the different political parties of this country has copied our guarantee, looked and they have agreed to our guarantee. And we have implemented all this guarantee, whatever, in the upliftment of the poor from the darkness to the light. That is the title given by the Oxford University on Karnataka. I would like to thank them. They have said that Karnataka guarantees of the state government has set a model to the country and different parts of the world. So I'm very happy. And so we'll take it forward. Whatever we have promised, we have delivered. Still, we are going to do a better governance.
So you're not going to meet the High Command
Delhi,
over the
sir,
power
to meet the High Commander in Delhi. Leadership change hasn't been discussed, sir.
I don't want to discuss anything. Whenever our party High Command will ask us to go to Delhi, we definitely will go to Delhi. Because a lot of things the Chief Minister is also keeping on his cards on the interest of the state. Now we are having a discussion on various issues. Our GBA election has also been announced by the court within 31st August. We'll make this a right and our plan of action